I should probably take it out of gear first. Idiot. Alright, I've got to get used to this dirt bike, so I thought I'd come out to Pacific Park, check it out, and just spend a few hours just getting used to this thing. Feeling what it's like on the dirt instead of the road. So, should be a bit of fun. Alright, my theory is that if I can get used to this stuff, learn to control the bike properly in this sandy, tight, horrible stuff, then then I'll know how to handle it out on the adventure riding. That's the theory. But right now I am sucking at it. Sucking hardcore. Anyway, I'm going to keep at it until I got it. Let's go again. Well, I tell you what, had a little break for lunch, and just went for another run, and it feels so much better, like just having that little break and then getting back into it. But far out, this is hard. I must admit, I'm sort of more keen to have a destination to get to. That's sort of what drives me, whereas this is, I'm just kind of going around in circles, which surprisingly, as a fan of motorsport, I'm not actually necessarily enjoying just going around in circles, but I'm learning a lot, so I'm enjoying that. Anyway, let's get back into it. Idiot. What have I learned today? I don't know what I'm doing, and I need a lot more practice. And my knees hurt. That's pretty much what I learned today. Was it fun? Hells yeah! That was that was a lot of fun. I do prefer to have a destination though. I prefer to be riding to somewhere. But, you know, the goal for today was just to get acquainted with the bike, feel better, you know how it reacts. When I turned onto this road from the main road, I actually felt really uncomfortable about the dirt because it was moving around a lot more than I was expecting, and I felt really sort of, oh shit, I don't like this. But now riding back out again, although I think going uphill makes a difference, but I feel so much more comfortable. So, and that was the objective of today. So I think we can tick the box on that one. I'm ready to hit some roads. I particularly wanted to do this today with without anyone else, just on my own. You know, safety-wise, you shouldn't be out on your own, but that's why I came here, because if I did come off bad, there'd be someone there immediately. You know, there's people everywhere. So, but I didn't want to come with, you know, friends as well, because I just wanted to take my time to get my speed up, take my time to get up to the pace that I was happy with. Time for the next challenge.